Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and hope you all doing well. So today I'm sharing a day in our life. So it's Kelly's last day of school, before starting the winter break. It's already started. So they are having some hot chocolate day today. The whole week they are celebrating in her school. Like the Christmas celebration is going on. Someday like hat day, pajama day, like that. And today is the hot chocolate day. So everybody drinking hot chocolate together within the Zoom class. And little one also wanted to join her, else she wake up little late, but today she woke up little early to drink the hot chocolate with Kelly.
Yes, I do like hot chocolate.
Does your little sister like hot chocolate?
Yes.
Yes. Chloe, do you like hot chocolate?
So Kelly's Zoom class is finished. Later she had another half an hour class today, and now they just whenever the class finishes, they both just get together and play something like whatever they like, and like sometimes drawing, sometimes toys like this. But they both want to play together whole day, like that.
What are you playing, Mama? You're a doctor, baby? For the tobacco, show me? Oh.
So for breakfast today, I'm making idli and sambar, and Kelly and Kiara really love to eat this. So actually, most of the time, like in the weekdays, they both don't get chance to eat together the breakfast. As Kelly has her Zoom classes, so she eats the breakfast according to her classes a little early from Kiana. And Kiana, she wake up little later, so she ate her breakfast in different time like that. But like in weekend or some like today, like she finished her Zoom class little early, so they eat together. And here I'm giving idli, sambar and some fruits like oranges, grapes and blueberry with that.
Is yummy? See? And this one, what we do little one? The next one? Zucchini and Loki.
So Kelly's broken arm like is almost 3 weeks to put her cast on, and she's doing very good, used to with the cast. But this week she had doctor appointment, and they are going to take out her cast and pins everything out. So she's super excited as she can have fun and enjoy the Christmas day nicely.
Okay, done? Okay.
So after they finish their breakfast, Kelly and Kiana they do some like writing, reading, or coloring. And Kelly really loves to do coloring and paintings. And by looking her, Kiana really loves to do that too. So now they are doing some coloring before Kelly will start her Zoom class again.
What are you guys doing?
Look at the unicorn did it. Some of the unicorns are picking things that some of the unicorns are picking tiny leaves. Some of the unicorns are getting some water.
Oh, show me.
There was a leaf falling. It's
Wow.
almost pretend to be full, so they are
And I just love it. And you're doing this on your left hand, right? That's so nice, baby.
It's time for rainbow return.
Show me what you're doing with it.
I'm making a design of all the colors. Take one and see how the day of that season.
So for Kelly, like everything is little easy way. Like for the reading and writing, doing the homework, everything she can sit longer time and she can concentrate on one thing like little bit longer. But Kiana is totally opposite of her. She cannot sit in one place more than 5-10 minutes. Like if she's doing writing right now, then she'll keep playing like this and keep doing. And after this, she'll after 5 minutes she'll take a little break and she'll run around and come back and then again do something like that. So for the study, we do it in a fun way with her. She really like that way.
Then like this. Then ta-da!
Good job.
Also, Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy, look at that. Look at that.
Good job.
So for the lunch today here I made some cheese roti and Kelly Kiana say this is pizza roti. So here it is, and with that I'm giving some steamed broccoli and boiled egg and some mangoes. And after the lunch, after they finish, we'll go for a walk a little outside as today the weather is very nice. It's winter, so like most of the days now it's very cold outside, but sometimes it's like in 2-3 weeks, some days come like 1-2 days like that the weather is very good. It is today 60 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's okay, you need some light jacket or sometimes you don't need even. So we'll go outside little as I have to take some picture of Kelly and Kiana. As Kiana turned 4 recently, and in the same week when Kelly broke her arm, so I didn't get a chance to take her picture like everywhere how I do with the 4 leaves, number 1, number 2, 3, 4 like that. So we'll go outside and the weather is good. So whenever it's a good weather, we don't miss the chance. We just go outside so kids can have little fun outside.
Okay, smile. How old you are now, Kiana?
So in your finger, not like this.
4. Yay! Kiana is 4-year-old. So me. Wow, number 4. Yeah, I see that. Good job, done. Come on.
Let Mama make 5. Go back. Let Mama make 5.
That's okay. Let her do.
Mess up and put in one place and then make 5. Okay. Now help Didi to make 5.
Be careful your hand, okay, ma'am? Baby's helping.
So nowadays it's really tough for me to take the pictures of little one Kiana as she really don't want to stand in one place to take the pictures. So I have to do in the video mode, like I just record and I just click in between. So in 10-15 pictures one comes good like that.
How old my Kelly needs now? 5. Yay. You got the number 5, huh? 5-year-old, my cutie.
Okay, you're done. Now you can mess up. Go, can go mess up. Go faster, go. Mess it up.
So we just finished taking picture over here and now we are going to the river side as it's like been more than 1 month we have not been to that place, and also for next 1-2 months we cannot able to go as it is going to be so cold. So as today the weather is very good, we are going a little more walk around so kids can have a little more fun.
Okay, let's go. Let Kelly help.
it's winter time, so as you can see the leaves are gone, and like if you come like 2 months back, it's totally different from now. It's everywhere green, look like a jungle, but still it's really fun and enjoying relaxing to come over this side and stay some time around here. And again, it's little picture time, as when her first birthday we did the photo shoot over here only, so I thought to take little more pictures of her over here. So now she's doing some, giving some poses. So this is the jogging trail near the river. Like we usually don't come this side, we go the other way, but this time we thought to go this way, little more inside, little far. And we found it very nice place that kids can go near the river and have fun there, like little sand area. So they were so excited and they had so much fun over there.
Sit. Yes. Good. Slowly, okay? Hmm? Your shoes, huh? That's okay. Mama will take out when you sit in your stall and Mama will clean it. No worries, okay, ma? Play now. Okay, ma? But your hands should. So careful. Where is Kiana? Let's go.
So many doubles.
So we just back to home now, and while I'm making the dinner, they're watching some movies. And for dinner today, I'm making chicken biryani, and it's get ready very quickly. Like it takes only 30 minutes. And I have this recipe I have shared already in my channel long time back. So I'll put the link in the description box below if you want to check. So Kelin can also really likes to eat this the chicken biryani. Just I don't put any spicy on that. So Kelly Kenna finished their dinner and already went to bed. So now we are going to wrap all these presents that we got for them for this Christmas, and my husband going to help me with the wrapping all these presents. So hope we'll finish so quickly. So almost done everything, only few left. So after this I'm going to show you how I decorate my house this time for the Christmas. So this is all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if so, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.